Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Atlanta, Georgia today. This is a commercial job that's a repeat slash kind of a referral. We do their home and they wanted us to do the office, so we are here doing the office today. There's basically 4 areas here. As you can see, they're in pretty bad shape. 3 of them got some really heavy spots. One office is not in too bad a shape, but 3 of these offices are in pretty bad shape. So we're doing a quick walk through here so you can look to see. This is obviously a Berber carpet. We've already got our towels down for the transition areas from carpet to non-carpet. So stay tuned and we will shoot an after video. As you can see, this is the worst room right here, and they're going to come in and pick up all these papers up off of the floor. Here we go. It's been about 30 minutes. We just wrapped up this job. This was, like I said, a commercial job. It was a $250 job. Everything came out great. She was very happy with the results of this particular cleaning. Because like I said, there were several spots, as you can see, that were in 3 of the areas, and they all came out. So like I said, the important thing is customer was happy. At the end of the day, that's the most important thing, that we have happy customers. So Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. No per spot fees, no upsells, no hidden fees of any kind. Thanks for watching, and as always, be kind.